guys. Well, today I'm out in the shop and I'm running X-tube CNC conversion kit parts, and I'm running some X-axis spacers here right now. See, I got the stock ready, so I'm running these spacers. I've been really busy. I just wanted to kind of do a video and give you guys an update of what's going on. I've been running these kit parts. You can see I've got quite a bit of them done, and I'm just finishing up the last little bit. I've got orders waiting for these, so I need to get those done. It's April 12th today, and so I'm trying to just give you an update of what's going on. I've been really busy, and it looks like I'm going to be tied up for about at least another 2 weeks. I know in the last video I told you I had like a little project that I was going to be working on. It's going to be like a 4th axis. I've already got the clear pass servo for that. It came in, and the 4th axis I actually bought a few years ago. I was going to use it for something else, but I found myself in need of to do some work on a 4th axis, so I'm going to try to get this going as quick as possible. So we'll be working on that. I've been doing a lot of screen work. Been real busy with that. Of course, I got my regular day job, but I work nights, so that's kind of a whole nother thing. But yeah, so I'm just out in the shop working on these parts and trying to get these things knocked out. They turn out pretty good. Machine's running real well. Tool changer's running real well. I'm still going to try to get some of these tool changers ready to sell this year. I think I'm going to offer at least 4 tool changers with the current design that I'm running. There's going to be some slight changes later on, probably for some other models. The issue that we're running into with the tool changer is with the Geneva mechanism. It works really well with a smooth stepper or a stepper motor, but it's kind of a little tricky with the servo, because the servo is always trying to move to a certain position, so it kind of does a little bouncing around when it does a home cycle. But other than that, it runs really well. So it's just something I've been living with. I don't know how many people that would be interested in an ATC would also be interested in using it with clear pass servos, so I don't really think it's going to be an issue. But yeah, you guys know most all my videos, you see the tool changer running, it works really well, so really happy with that. I'm going to finish running up these parts, and I'll try to get a video out as soon as possible. I'd like to get back on a regular schedule. However, I'm just too busy with things that I got going on, and I just really don't have time to do any kind of videos. I posted the other day, I posted on Instagram a little quick tip. Let me see if I can show you what it is. So you guys know about the TTS tightening jig. Oh, there we go. So that part finished. So we've got our TTS tightening jig, and if you need to change out your inserts on your 50mm face mill, it's really convenient just to slide your tool in here. Then you can just rotate it around, and you only need one hand to remove or replace your inserts. So you can just simply get it in there. You can push down on it, it's not gonna rotate, and you can tighten up and loosen, then move to the next one. It makes it a lot safer than trying to hold this in your hand with those sharp inserts. So just a little quick tip, another use that I found with the TTS tightening jig. Guys, thanks for watching the video. If you're new to my channel and you're just tuning in, click on that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner. Also click on that notification bell. That way when I post a new video like this, you'll be notified, and if it's something you're interested in, you can stop by and check it out. If you want to follow me on Instagram, you can pop over there and check out my post on Instagram. I don't post really on social media that much because I'm always busy, but I do post little tips like this from time to time, or I might just be out in the shop running some parts and I found something interesting and I'll make a little post on Instagram. So if you're interested in that kind of stuff, you can follow me there. Guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and most importantly, be safe.